Hello everyone, my name is Deepak Kori and today I would like to take this opportunity to explain you the all new XC90 2020 edition. And today we have here the D5 Inscription variant, and this is the latest 2020 edition what we have. Now Volvo as a brand doesn't need much of an introduction because it's known for its safety and its clear design, a typical Scandinavian design. In addition to that, they are the first people to make car by putting people first. In the term to say that they design car around a human being. That's one of the unique designs what they make about Volvo XC90 or any other Volvo car for that matter. Now with this XC90 under the hood we have a 2-liter engine, 4-cylinder with 235 bhp and 480 Newton meter of torque. In addition to that, the vehicle also is equipped with Power Pulse, which is one of the unique design which Volvo has got into. You can also see that the latest 2020 edition comes with a nice scooped grille, also with a new iron mark onto it, the Volvo iron mark, and also the camera is also integrated to the Volvo logo. That's the latest edition. You can also see the lines which are very clear, simple, and this shows the typical Scandinavian kind of a design. The very attractive thing about the Volvo XC90 is the headlamps. This comes with Thor's hammer headlamp, what we call. It's a full LED headlamp. So basically it's inspired by the Thor's weapon hammer. Inspired by that, it comes with full LED with active bending headlamps. It comes with 16-degree left and right and 5-degree up and down movement. This is one of the unique features on the car. And also you can see the wiper blades or the headlamp washers are flushed inside so that it gives you a very clear design. The straight lines of the XC90 which runs from the front portion of the car to the rear portion, this again shows the clear design of Scandinavian design. In addition to that, it has got a nice wheel arch, and the XC90 is equipped with a 20-inch alloy wheel with 275 and 45 on the tire spec. In addition to that, you can see the outer rear view mirror which is mounted onto the shoulder. So this adds up more visibility while cornering, and it also has a feature of auto dimming, and it also has got a hydrophilic coating where in the rainy season you can see that water droplets won't stay on the glass. The vehicle also is equipped with 33% of boron steel. Now Volvo car is known for its safety because the entire skeleton portion of the vehicle is made of boron steel, which is 5 times stronger than a normal steel. Now you can also see that XC90 has got one of the best wheelbase in its segment of 2984 mm. This helps in having a better ingress and egress and also better legroom when you sit inside the car. The vehicle is also equipped with all 4 independent air suspension. We call it as 4C chassis independent air suspension, which will help your drive and ride quality both. So the XC90 comes with 4-zone AC control. So that means that all 4 passengers sitting here can have their individual control on the AC. Each individual can set their preferred temperature as well as the fan speed. Now the XC90 looks even much better when you take a look at the car from the rear side because of its completely LED sculpted tail lamps and a nice, very attractive dual exhaust system which has got a chrome insert to it. In addition to that, it also has got integrated roof rails which adds better aerodynamics, and in terms to the looks also it is better. Now talking about the boot space and also about the operational thing, the very unique and interesting feature on the XC90 is it has got a power operate and a gesture control tailgate. So that means if you hover your leg, the tailgate will open and close both at the same time. Now XC90 with all the 7 seats up also has got a very good amount boot space, which is 300 liters. If you have to have more boot space, with one touch of a button this seats folds and you can have a better boot space. Now the XC90 comes with a very unique feature of its kind called as City Safety. Now this feature is completely equipped and works on radar. So what this does is between 2 km to 50 km speed it is active. In this speed, when the driver is driving and if the opposite vehicle stops abruptly and if the driver fails to notice and brake, the vehicle will take control and brake on its own. So basically it is active between 2 km to 50 kilometer speed. And also you can see that the vehicle, the XC90 is equipped with perforated Napa leather seats, which has got heater, cooler and massaging function. In addition to that, even the dashboard is also wrapped with pure leather upholsteries. Now the best part about the XC90, which is talked a lot, is the music system. The XC90 is equipped with Bowers & Wilkins brand music system, which has got 19 speakers and 1400 watts output for it. Concept of designing an XC90, they have taken something called as EVI, equal vehicle for all. So that means that the vehicle is designed for both male and female. So the XC90 has got 5 different driving modes for everyday use. You can choose between sports mode, that is called as dynamic, or to comfort mode, or to eco mode. According to the driver preference, he can have the different driver modes. In addition to that, to ease out a person's driving experience, the XC90 is equipped with head-up display, which will hover on the front windshield, and all the vehicle information, including the map and the phone connectivity, everything would be on the heads-up display.